Hi guys, I want to tell you about this crazy product. It's actually a WordPress plugin, and it's called Subscribers Magnet from Max Blog Press. Okay, now it's so crazy and unbelievable that you can't even get hold of it at the moment. You have to actually sign up to go onto a waiting list. So alright, I'm just going to show you about it because if you're having problems putting an opt-in form into your blog or something like that, then this is the go. Okay, so what we're going to do first is, well, this is the plugin. So you go to the tools section and you'll see the link and you click on it and it'll come up with this, so you can change the settings. Now what we want to do first is add a form. Okay, and the form is a code. Now the form code you can get from MailChimp, or you can get from Aweber or something like that. Now the thing is, MailChimp is free for anyone under 500 subscribers. So if you already haven't signed up for one of these accounts, you can just go and try out a MailChimp account, and it's free just for until you get over the 500 mark, which you'll do pretty quickly with this. I bet you any money. This is amazing stuff. Okay, so what we want to do is want to add a new form. Okay, and we're just going to make the name WordPress website builder. Okay, and then we're going to paste the form code in here. So I'm just going to go and get my form code, so just hold on for 1 second. Okay, I've got my form code, so I'm going to paste it in there. So I just went and got it from MailChimp. Now this is what it looks like: form action equals blah blah blah. So that's another tutorial altogether, is how to get that form code, but I will make one. Okay, so now we're going to go and we're going to say detect the form. Okay, now what has it got here? The name field, we'll put the first name, and the email field, we'll put the email. Tracking code, no. Next step, press on that. Okay, now it's given me a preview over here. Subscribe to my newsletter. Yep. Format option for the form. Now I can go and change that writing there if I want to, or I can add a picture. Okay, or I can add a picture to the top here. Now you need the URL of a picture to do that. I suppose I could just go and get one. I'll just see what I've got on my website here. So just for an example, let's get this. Let's see if I can get this. Copy image location. Okay. Now I'll go back to where I was. Now let's see if we can put the image in there. Now I don't know how it's going to look or anything like that. We're going to put that there. Well, there we go. We've got the red arrow. That's how easy it was. I just went and grabbed an image. Image description, big red arrow. Title, subscribe. Okay, insert. Rightio, let's press update the preview. So this is what we've got now. Now it would have been nicer if that arrow had a yellow background, or we could just change the background color to match it. So let's click on here and it'll give us a choice. So let's just go white. Now have a look at the form. Okay, also it's got a yellow border around it, as you can see. Let's change it. I don't like the yellow border. Let's choose a color. We'll just put red around it and see what happens. Now what do you think about that? Okay, subscribe button text. Okay, so let's say subscribe now. Okay, let's have a look. Subscribe now. Now this is how easy it is. Is this crazy or what? Okay. Now this is difficult to code this yourself, so you know, why wouldn't you get this thing? It's crazy. Submit button, more formatting. Okay, let's have a look. Right, button color. Yeah, let's get rid of it. Yeah, I like green actually. I like green buttons. So let's go green. No, actually I don't like green. Look, green looks yuck. Okay, we'll try another color. Oh, just don't know. It's a bit hard, isn't it? Anyway, like I'm not a very good designer, as you can tell. I could be here all day just deciding what I want. No, that's no good. Sorry about this. What about... No, that's no good either. Maybe I'll go back to what it was. Because, okay, what about this one? Here we go. What about that? Do you like that? Okay. So it has a border color here, text color, and blah blah blah, but that's fine. We'll just leave it the way it is, okay? Now that arrow is a bit big, so next time I would have put it a bit smaller and everything would have been centered in nicely there. So what else have we got here? Yep, more customization. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. It says you can choose the fields that are going in there, name and email, but I'll just keep that. We'll go text box. You can change the text. You can have a background image. Okay, this is crazy. Rightio, next step. Okay, what do they want me to do now? Place your opt-in form in your blog. Where do you want to place it? Okay. What about, what does it say? Show in the post, right? Within a single post at the bottom, top of the post, and the bottom of the last post, or a sidebar widget. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so now it's taken me to the widgets, and in here Mac's blog has already got his own thing in there. Now I'm going to put mine in there. Let's have a look. There we go. See that? Okay, so let's press save. Right, now here I am on this demo blog changing it. Right, so let's go and have a look and see what's happened. This is quite funny actually. Now here's the demo blog for this thing. Now this is, see that? I've just put my thing in there. Right, I've actually made this pop up too, right, before. Now I put that in there. Okay, this was already down here, but I can just go and change the settings for it, and I actually put that there. Now this is how easy this is here. So as I said, this picture was a little bit big, but you learn those things because I just grabbed that one off the internet, as you could see. But how easy is it? This is just crazy. So what happens if I go and sign up? You know, let's check it out. We'll just see if my form works. I mean, I don't know whether it works or not. So, we'll see. Okay, we'll go there and we'll go subscribe me. Okay, so what's it got? Almost finished. Yep. Okay. Well, they picked up all the details. They must have got the right form. Because as you know, I've got tips for PC as well. and also I'm in Brisbane, Queensland. Now, hello. So, yep, I just got in there, did it. That's how easy it was. Rightio. So all I had to do is confirm my email now. Wow. So see here, because I went to the widget, I've got to customize all these things again, but I quite like that colour there. The only thing that I would change about this is the, well, I'll make the back of the form, the formatting, make the background colour white, just so it matches the actual, see that? Just so it matches my, what do you call this? Arrow thing. Now the other thing is that I would make that arrow smaller before using it, but other than that, everything works great, and you saw how easy it was. Let's go back and do something else. So we'll go to Tools over here, and we'll go to the link again. Right, so I've added my form in, so the form's going to stay there now. So what we're going to do is just have a look at some more options that we can do. So let's have a look at opt-in form adder. Or did I already do that? Yeah, I did. Look, see, I've got this now. Right, this is really interesting. So we can go here and see how it's got the Max blog opt-in form. Well, we can change that to WordPress website builder, and which one's that? That's the one inside the comment section. So basically the first person that comments, this form will come up that I made. Okay, so let's press on adjust settings and see what I did, remember? Okay, so there it is there. Now of course we need to fix it up if we want to change it a bit and whatever. So this is quite amazing. Now these are the details for embedding a form inside the comment section. Now this is the details for the bottom of the comment form. So if you wanted to adjust the settings, you could. Subscribe to autoresponder silently as soon as someone enters a comment. Now this means when they enter a comment and they put oh wow, let's have a look at this. Let's read it. This option will automatically subscribe your commenters to your autoresponder without any alert. We recommend you consult your autoresponder. Okay, well I wouldn't do that, but I'll tell you what it does do. When you go to the actual blog, wherever it is, I've lost it now. So let's go back to where we were. Now, it actually, when you comment, it actually picks up your name and everything, puts it in there, and oh look, I've got two here now. Look, see? We've got two showing there because oh, the other great thing about this is that, see how I've got that big box there and this has got a small box there? Now for each position on your web page, you can make a different box. So you could have a big one for the top sidebar, a long skinny one for the bottom of the posts, and yeah, different sizes to suit the actual spots that they're going into. The other thing is that we've got this thing down here too. Now if you go and buy, you can actually buy a plugin that does this, and that's the silly thing about it. No plugin that I have seen does all this, the whole lot. I mean, you saw how easy it is to customize these forms and add them in. It's just crazy. You choose what list you want, change the form, and you also just choose where you want to put it. So it's just so easy, it's not funny. I actually enabled that, like I said, so it's in the pop-in section. So if I go to the pop-in section, right? I've got a popover coming in, and it says subscribe to my newsletter, blah blah blah, and stuff like that. And you can just take it off if you like and press save. Now if I go back, then that popover thing shouldn't be there. Okay, so I'll close it first. Right, so if I go to the home page and refresh it, which I did, I'm sure I did. Yep, okay, it's refreshed, and the pop-up didn't come up because I didn't enable it. Okay, so that was pretty simple. You just go to the pop-in section here. If you do want to enable a pop-in, you choose from a list. Let's put it on again and see what happens. Choose from the list. There's what it's going to say. It's got my big red arrow there again, right? Now it's got all the same thing that I had before, and I'm going to press enable and save. And this is just so easy, I just can't believe it. And now we're going to go, it says it's been saved, okay? And it also says all settings and blog posts will be automatically get reset every 2 hours. Now this is because people like me come along and change things. Okay, so if I go and refresh this now, I should have a pop-up coming up. Here it is, see? Except for I made it too big, of course, but all you need is that little bit there. Isn't that cute? And how easy is that? Now that in itself, you have to pay for another plugin for that. That's why this thing is crazy, because it's got all these things in one. So, I mean, you've definitely got to go and sign up for this waiting list, which is really, really annoying because I can't stand waiting for this. I just want to put it on my website. Hint, hint, Mr. Blog Press, let me in. Alright, see you later, thanks. Okay guys, if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you come up here where it says subscribe and press on the subscribe button here. That'll let you know when we've got all new videos and stuff like that. Also, you can go in here and have a look at all more videos if you like. There's heaps, there's 211 so far. You might find something you like. Just scroll along and you'll be able to see. And also, if you're on my website already and you're watching this video, you should put your email address and name in there and subscribe to our newsletter, because I give away like free reports and stuff like that, and they're not just any old thing. They're written by me, and they have some really good tips and tricks in there about building websites, or you know, computer tips, or whichever one. Alright, thanks for watching.